Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed review of Chameleon Mode Browser, a platform that's built for power users of the web. Whether you're a digital marketer, a growth hacker, web scraper, or you're just serious about online privacy, this video is for you. Let's explore the standout features, the pricing, the pros and cons, and finally a well-rounded conclusion answering the question, does Chameleon Mode Browser do it all? To put it simply, Chameleon browser is an anti-detect browser. An anti-detect browser is a specialized browser designed to protect identity and data online, offering anonymity. So Chameleon Mode browser allows users to hide their digital fingerprints. And a digital fingerprint is a unique set of data that websites collect about a visitor, including information about their device, the browser, the settings, and even their browsing habits. But Chameleon Mode browser is more than that. It's a dedicated tool for people who need to operate multiple online identities simultaneously without triggering security systems, account bans, or detection algorithms. Whether you're managing ad accounts, you're doing affiliate marketing, you're running web scraping operations, or juggling dozens of e-commerce storefronts, this tool is built to give each of these identities a unique, trace-proof digital fingerprint. Now here's the interesting part. Unlike a traditional browser, which has one unified identity in terms of IP, device settings, cookies, and browser behavior, Chameleon Mode allows you to create entirely isolated environments for each profile you use. Currently on this browser, you can see that I have 2 profiles, and I can definitely add more using the new profile button. Every profile has its own digital fingerprint, simulating different operating systems, hardware configurations, time zones, languages, fonts, and even audio stacks. This browser is used in industries where detection is a deal breaker. Think ad arbitrage, dropshipping, lead generation, or cybersecurity testing. If you're in one of these spaces, Chameleon Mode isn't just useful, it might be essential. Now let us talk about the main features of using the Chameleon Mode browser. First, as earlier mentioned, unique browser fingerprints. Every browser profile you create can mimic different digital fingerprints. That includes canvas fingerprinting, WebGL, audio context, fonts, screen resolution, languages, even geolocation data. And these aren't just templates, they're fully customizable. You can tweak over 50 different variables to fine-tune how you appear online. Built-in proxy management. Each browser profile supports its own proxy settings. Whether you're using residential, data center, or mobile proxies, Chameleon Mode makes it easy to assign a unique IP to each profile, helping you avoid any cross-profile leakage. Real browser cores. Unlike some spoofed browsers, Chameleon Mode uses actual Chromium and Firefox browser engines. That means full compatibility with modern websites and no janky behavior when rendering or running JavaScript-heavy platforms. Session isolation. Profiles are fully sandboxed. Cookies, cache, history, local storage, nothing is shared between sessions. If one account gets flagged or banned, your others remain unaffected. Collaboration and team sharing. For larger teams, especially agencies, you can create assistant-level accounts that work under a master license. Profiles can be shared, monitored, and accessed with secure permissions. Automation-friendly. For developers or automation pros, Chameleon Mode supports integration with tools like Puppeteer and Playwright, enabling high-speed automation of complex tasks like scraping or bulk uploads. Now let us talk about the pricing. Chameleon Mode offers 3 basic plans. First, there's the basic plan at $19 per month. There's a Plus plan, which is the most popular plan at $69 per month. And there is a Pro plan at $199 per month. When you pay yearly, which is the annual subscription, you save so much more. Now, what are the pros and cons of using the Chameleon Mode browser? First, the pros. Top-tier fingerprint simulation across all major parameters. It supports multiple real browser cores, not just Chromium clones. The clean, modern user interface that doesn't feel like a developer tool is what you find. Excellent proxy integration and session management. and it scales well for teams and automation workflows. And what are the cons? The learning curve is there, especially if you're new to proxy routing and fingerprinting. There is no free plan, so you have to pay. Some features like cookie syncing may feel advanced for beginners. So, it's not a browser for casual users. It's a professional-grade software for people who need serious identity management. So the big question is, does Chameleon Mode do it all? For most professional users, yes. It absolutely delivers. Its fingerprint control is more advanced than any of its competitors. The ease of scaling up with hundreds or thousands of isolated profiles makes it an ideal tool for marketing agencies, developers, and growth teams. It's also one of the few Antidetect browsers that supports real browser engines and automation. That said, it's not a plug-and-play solution for casual users. You'll get the most value from Chameleon if you have a clear need, like running multiple ad accounts, scraping data across regions, or collaborating with a virtual team. If you're looking for a browser that blends flexibility, stealth, and power, Chameleon Mode is one of the best in its class. And that's it on the review of the Chameleon Mode browser. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Octo Browser, Go Login, and Dolphin. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.